What's up, mga kaibigan? Okay, let's go. Dito na yung tropa natin. Nice. Hey, let's go. Nandiyan na. Hello, baby. Hi, welcome to Disney. Are you excited? Yeah. Quick ko lang yan eh. Oh, Baldo. What's up? Ayan, oh, ayan, dito na kami.
Tagalog.
Dati, ano sila eh, winter sila nagpunta.
Last year?
Yeah. Winter yun. Medyo hindi ganito,
Pero mas malamig.
Mas malamig yan.
Kasama Tita Amba, mga August yata.
August ba yun? Nalimutan ko.
May pasok si Hani. Pag araw dito, maraming tao.
Pag 12, ay ano, yung morning, Joe. We're here at Hong Kong Disneyland. We're entering now. Yay! Kaya lang, Joe, hindi Mickey Mouse, si Daffy. Hindi, Daffy month kasi kami ngayon eh. Daffy month. Hello! Ang pangalan?
Liana.
Ha?
Liana.
Hi, Liana! Dito tayo.
Okay.
Thank you. Yay! Yay! Wala na kaming ticket eh. Puro ano na lang sa... Yay! There's Daffy! Lucas, how old are you first time you came here? Do you remember? 3 years old? Oo. Ito ba terno to? Ay, hindi. So happy?
What?
That's the castle. Wow.
Gusto mo doon?
Nice. Oh, nagising oh. Hey, say hi to my vlog.
Hi, vlog.
Hi, vlog. Ayun,
Welcome to my...
Uy! Ito yung malakas na tropa ko. Uy! Bago sa atin.
Lilipat pa lang.
Lilipat. Galing ano? RDF?
Hindi na, ano yan, USSG.
Hey, what's up? Welcome. Balik na. Ay, hindi. Mas malaki yata ang bigayan nun. Mas malaki dun. Ingat, bro. Enjoy. Have a magical day. Hey, let's go! Vlog to! Joe, dito. Ready? 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. Again. 1, 2, 3. Mainit na siya. Tara, panoorin na si si Lina Bell. Bilis. Matapos na yan. Yung si Lina Bell. Yeah, Lina Bell is there. Uy, pawis no. It's Daffy Show.
Everyone follow Cookie Nancy!
It's Daffy Show.
Where the sun is strong, I'll be waiting there. Little song, here in the springtime song.
Nakita niya ba?
Saan kaliwa?
Oo, kaliwa. Yan, I want to watch Moana. Yes. Yeah. Ha? Hi! Let's sit.
要打电话。
Ah, mainit na.
Hello everyone and welcome! We're going to an update. Yes, and we're so excited that all of you villagers came out to join in our celebration! And now, are you ready to join us? Yeah! One more time, one more time. Are you ready? Yeah! Let's have our hands together!
Hinahanap niya si Moana eh.
Oh, he's just pretending. Got it. Here!
You wanna meet Moana? Are you excited? Yeah. Say hi to Moana. Hi, Pat. Oh, walk with her.
You want to walk together?
Yay.
I like your necklace. Oh, it's just like my one. Did someone special give that to you? It's so beautiful. And it's got this beautiful design on it too. And it looks like the ocean, don't you think? That's amazing. I like your beautiful dress. Are you a real life princess? Always wanted to meet a real life princess. And he's my lucky day. Having some good adventures. Who's that little friend there? It looks a little bit like Kua. You know my friend Kua? She looks a bit like Kua, don't you think?
Tapos doon tayo, Bet. Pipicture naman siya nun. Kasama siya.
Is her name Kua too? What's the name? Lina Bell. Wow, beautiful name. Maybe you can bring her to Motunui next time. We can have some adventures together, yeah? You want to take a picture with us over here?
Yes! Are you happy you saw Moana? Yay! Say bye-bye! Bye-bye!
Ano, kala ko?